Just delicious.
It is a mixture of things. I'm plating like something in a Bengali household. This is a combination of like represents elements that would be the first one. Usually it's a vegetable, and there is a bitter melon that is considered to be something that is healthy, and everybody hates it. So parents try really hard. Sorry, it's cluttered too.
Super okay.
Yeah, parents always try to feed their children like bitter gourd, and they don't want bitter melon. Yeah, so I added some bitter melon. So it is like giving the bitter pill. Could only go downhill from there or uphill from there.
I hope it doesn't go downhill from there.
That's it. So I have some bitter gourd.